Hey guys, look, I'm not gonna lie. I was looking at my old footage, just going through, just looking at where I began, this dream, this journey. Because I believe to dream big, you must also look back and take steps in order to, manifest that dream. You have to see where you began and steps. Every step, even if it's a million steps, it starts from one. So look at my first steps, my initial beginnings. My first day here in Jamaica. And you know what? Man, this shit was boring, son. It's long as fuck. There's no B-roll. It's not cinematic at all. There's no story really. Man, I'm redoing all that. Share, comment. Let me know if you saw any improvements or anything that I should improve on. I want to be the best that I can be. Thank you very much. Here's my first day here in Jamaica. As long as I can remember, I've always had dreams. There was one time when I was younger, I wanted to invent a real lightsaber like the one from Star Wars. None of my dreams ever left me. They've always sat inside, and I've never had the self-confidence or the determination or even just the faith in myself to actually make it happen. But that changes now. I'm Robert, and this is my dream.
What men want and what they will, working for a dollar bill. Sad to see the old slave mill, it's grinding slow but grinding still.
Hey guys, I leave for Jamaica in a couple hours, and everyone thinks I'm crazy. I don't know anyone there, I've never been there, I know nothing about the place except for jerk chicken. But hey, I don't care.
If I leave.
As I'm leaving for Jamaica right now, I'm saying goodbye to my best friend on earth. I love you, girl. I love you, girl. Okay? I love you, girl. See you soon, okay? You get out there, girl. All right, JC. Yeah, guys, I'm out here. Y'all see it. Headed to my gate right now.
If I stay with you, girl.
Yeah, so taxi got a flat. Don't know what to say about this. I'm just standing right here now. Just standing here now, waiting. Gonna fix it. Pretty dangerous road here. Pretty dangerous road here. First recorded meal in Jamaica: curry goat and stewed beef, rice and peas, and a pasta salad. This is the Airbnb I'm staying at. I know it looks crazy now, but it's beautiful. I went to the market to get me some fruit breakfast along with my herbal breakfast. Love it here though. It's fucking beautiful. Like, I don't even know if this is a good picture. I can't even tell, but that's beautiful. I don't know what this is called at all, but it is gorgeous. And look, Aki. Look at that, Joe. Aki, straight on the tree right now. Look like apples at first. Fucking goat, son. Chilling. I don't know if it liked me though. If it disliked me, you finna see a animal video. Nah, brother, I don't want no smoke, brother. Stay where you at. That motherfucker goat, look here. What you on, bro? What you on, bro? See, I don't even know what these fucking plants are, but they the shit. Gee, everything here is the shit. Don't lie, it's 80-something degrees out here this morning. It's pretty fucking warm. So your name is Sean, right?
Yeah, I'm from here in this area, you know?
This is Port Antonio
No,
or
this is
Ferry Hill?
Ferry Hill.
Ferry Hill, okay. So Ferry Hill isn't part of Port Antonio.
No, Port Antonio is down into the town, you know?
Okay, what's the parish we're in?
Portland.
Okay, we're in Portland. Okay, gotcha.
Steady, are you ready? What's going on? Steady, are you ready? Are you ready? What's going on? What's going on? Cold, fresh air. Feel the melody that's in the air. I'm down, take a look around.
I'm not gonna lie, this country is so beautiful, man. Since I've been here,
Yeah.
I've just been blown away.
Really, really nice, bro.
Everybody is so nice. I love it here.
For real. Where you from?
I'm from Chicago, America.
America, okay. Chicago, yeah?
Yep,
Yes, bro. Good to meet you, man.
definitely good meeting you, brother. I really appreciate that, bro.
Really sweet, bro. Let's take. I'm gonna slice and put in this bag, yeah?
Yes. So you can take this part right here and plant it back into the ground and
Yeah,
grow a whole
I
new
need
one.
to get another one like this.
That's awesome.
Yeah, this is pineapple, you know? See another piece here. So these are the skin, you know?
Yeah, see it. This
You
is
know, a lot of people use this and make juice. You blend it in the blender, or you strain it and make juice with the skin.
Let me see.
And you can make really hard. You want me to peel
That's
this for you
all.
also?
Oh, you would? Thank you, brother. How much you charging me, bro, for this? How much I...
No, man.
You sure? Man, bro, I really appreciate you, bro.
What's going down? However do you want me? However do you need me? However do you want me? However do you need me? However do you want me? However do you need me? However do you want me? However do you need me? Steady, are you ready? Are you ready? What's going on? Steady.
Thank you, brother. I appreciate that. Much love, bro. Respect. Making orange. Breakfast is crazy. I walked down to the market down here in Portland, in Ferry Hill. I grabbed me some jerk chicken backs. This shit is slamming. I mean, I swear to God. This shit, I don't know how it tasted good in so fucking long. Goddamn Lifespan water is this shit. Look at this. The water is from right here in Portland, where I am. Naturally alkaline. They pineapples are the shit. Look, you can bite through the whole core and everything. You know how we gotta peel ours out. Nope. Soft. Right plantain, killing bananas. There's little black seeds and shit all in there too. It's crazy. This shit is, man. And I never had saltfish, and I've never had fritters. So I've definitely never had saltfish fritters. This shit is slamming. This chicken back, slamming. Oh, this shit go crazy, Joe. And then I grabbed this right plant. I got this right plantain. He said you can eat it just like a banana. It's slimy. It tastes like a banana, but a little sweeter. But I don't know how to explain it. It's so much better. Even look different. Got little seeds all in there, black seeds. That's how you know it's natural, baby. None of that other bullshit. What else is slamming? Surprised the fuck out of me is a Jamaican orange. That bitch came green. Had to get somebody to peel it for me with a fucking knife, Joe. Oh man. Yeah. Everything about this is good. I mean, I'm going crazy right here. That shit going crazy. Yeah, guys, that was my first day here in Jamaica. Look, subscribe to me. Click that bell notification. Like and comment. This is only the beginning. Stay tuned. Dream big.